FIRST is an acronym for the Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. It's a non-profit organization that promotes science and technology in high schools. It's for grades 9 through 12, and each year they give you a mission and a game to build a robot for. This year's game was Ultimate Ascent, where you try and score frisbees into goals and climb a pyramid at the end of the match. Everybody on the team generally has a certain role. Like I was an electronics guy, and other people focused on welding the frame, others designed it on the computer, others programmed it. But ultimately we all work together on different teams to make the same robot.
We are kind of a prototype team where we don't really do much in terms of pre-design. Whatever works best, we try and fit it into our system. So for our design, we found out which shooter worked the best and then tried to build everything else around that. And what we ended up with was a climbing shooting robot. It took us the full 6 weeks that were given to build. It was actually mostly done in the last week where everything started to happen.
The most challenging part was probably building our shooter. We started from nothing essentially, we couldn't shoot at all, to being able to shoot accurately up to 30 feet.
The overall most challenging thing is getting your initial design set out. It's hard to decide on what the most strategic game plan will be and what's going to work out the best in competition when you're only imagining it prior to it. So you have to make a design before you know how it's going to work, and it's probably one of the scariest things to build out.
Here at Woodbury Days, we're actually showing off our robot today and really getting kids interested in the science and technology. We're allowing them to drive our robot around a course.
We are promoting FIRST Robotics, letting people in the community drive our robots, and hopefully kids will see this and they'll say, I want to do that, and they'll come into their high schools and sign up for FIRST Robotics. It's a really fun experience.
It's a really fun activity. We really encourage people of all ages and skill levels to come out and try and drive the robot and maybe get a little competitive with it, because it's always fun to try new things and learn about science and technology at the same time.
The kids really love it. There's kids smiling every time they make a goal. They love driving them around, and I think when they get older and they join the program, they'll find that it's just as fun to build the robots.
We have way too much fun. We all enjoy it because it's quite time consuming, and if people didn't enjoy it, they definitely wouldn't show up, but everybody loves it and they show up and they have fun.
My favorite part is building the robot. I really enjoy that. I look forward to going every day after school and working on the robot and learning new things.
Probably the most favorite thing about competing on a FIRST Robotics team is being pushed out of your comfort zone to learn new things. Personally, every single day of our build season, I learn a new thing. It's always fun being pushed out of your comfort zone, and it's a very fun program to compete in.
The best part of the whole process is definitely the end result, getting to see your robot compete. It's a pretty cool experience. You get to watch what you've made over 6 weeks compete on an arena against other teams. Quite a bit of fun.